This is African eggplant. It's the garden egg. You can prune for airflow. And remove all the bottom leaves. This is a pepper. This is the potato that we grew after harvesting potato from this grow bag. This is scent leaf. Prune any bad leaves to encourage more healthy leaves to grow. Garden egg and marigolds. Always plant marigold next to your plants to deter pests. These are the garden eggs that were grown and were transplanted here after the potatoes were harvested. This is too bushy. I can't see the soil, so I'm going to prune. When a plant has too many leaves, it produces fewer fruits. Too many leaves block pollinators from reaching flowers, and the sun will not get to it, so prune for a better harvest. Now there is better airflow. That's Nigerian garden egg. And this is a pepper plant. Bell pepper that was transplanted here after potato was harvested. And again, plant marigold around your garden. More amaranth greens that we did not grow. We've harvested lots of them. But this is a container that we planted peppers, and that's it. Producing peppers for us. More amaranth. Again, don't let them flower. Once they flower and the seeds dry, they can self-sow themselves and you have amaranth everywhere. This is our potato plant. Still flowering. That means the potato is happy and it's producing tubers in the ground. This is a chili pepper. It's flowering and producing chilies for us. This is what we call shambo in Nigeria. It's equivalent to cayenne pepper or chili. Peppers can grow together to protect themselves from the wind, and then increase the chance of pollination. So we have 3 plants in this grow bag. This is a tomato plant, and then again, marigolds planted with it. Deadhead, the marigold. And you can also just save the seeds or plant it as well. To get more marigold. These are onions. Here's a tip for growing onions. When you are planting onions, don't plant them too deep, because they will not bulb. And you can remove weed or anything that is dying. Again, we planted it next to marigold and curry leaves. Iceberg lettuce. We harvested from this lettuce and it's still growing. And cucumbers. These are potatoes that are falling now, so it will soon be time to harvest. We had a large harvest already. but this will be another one. Sunflower to attract the pollinators. And this is one sunflower with several heads. Scotch bonnet pepper and bell pepper. Water, leaf, flowers, and seeds. There is amaranth green inside the small container. That can be harvested and is allowed to continue growing. Let's harvest some tomatoes. And these are beef tomatoes. Beef tomato. We did not even plant this one because we planted a tomato here. And this was a variety I saw in the shop that I liked for salads. And planted it. But I saw that growing, and I decided to know what it is, and I left it. And I'm glad I did. Amaranth tree, because see how big it is. Well, it's just for seeds and I think they cross-pollinated. Or this is a mixture of pink and green amaranth. I'm not sure, but we'll see. More peppers. Tomato. Again, prune the bottom leaves for airflow so that the sun can help ripen them.